Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to use shutdown option by right-click context menu. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand desktop background, click and expand shell. Create new key named as shutdown computer. Create new key named as command. Open default, change value data to shutdown space, -s, space, -f space, -t space, 00. Create new string value, change named as icon. Change value data to shell32.dll, -329. Create new string, named as position. Change value data to top, click OK and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.